YouTube, welcome back to the channel. Me and Craig right now are rolling out to Cars and Coffee nearby our house. It's a little show, might as well since it's like a minute away. But Happy New Year, hope everybody had a good holiday break. You already know. So yeah, he hit me up and asked me if I wanted to go. I said why not, since I haven't been doing anything since I got back from Texas for Christmas. But I hope everybody got some car parts and had a good time with their families. I'm still saving up for a house right now, so haven't been spending any money. Been real good about it. But yeah, catch up with you guys when we get to Cars and Coffee. Alright, we just pulled up to Cars and Coffee, parked next to a Charger, Corolla, Craig's R32. Man's already getting more attention than any car here, as always, man. I'm telling you, this car's rare. People love it. So yeah, I got the F80. Gave it a wash yesterday, so we'll check out this Cars and Coffee. And as you can see by the title and thumbnail, I'm going to be doing my top 5 favorite things I like about my F80. That's going to be from like the mods I've done already to just the aesthetics or the features that came with it. And then I'll do another video maybe next week about the 5 things that I do not like. To be honest, that's going to be hard to come up with, but I'm sure we'll find some little small things that annoy most people, but it's going to be hard to find 5 things I don't like about my car. Be honest with you guys. Car's amazing. Oh shit, Han, rolling up. Veilside RX-7, that shit's clean. Look who just pulled up, my boy Danny. M235, you already know. You already know.
What up, what up?
What up? Your boy.
What up, F80 home fans?
Yo. Got an F80. Clean. Clean. But I take this thing right here. R32 boys. Yo.
I know it.
E30 boys. Yo, this E46 is clean. You already know, WTF Motorsports. Shout out Curtis. Man's got the roll cage, gutted interior, full track car. Sitting on the Apexes. Looks so clean. One day, we'll have this in the stable. GTR, R33, clean, white on white. Supra.
Man, fucking 315 stock.
Jeez. Sheesh. Got the Veilside RX-7. Whew, 3-rotor. This E30 is clean, yo. On the red interior.
Really?
This is my boy, I Am Roll. Clean M4. We got the 2018 OEM Plus boys. His IG, super cool dude. This car is sick. Austin yellow. It's my boy Chris. Just got his M4 maybe like a month ago. Super clean. Yas Marina, white interior, competition package, you already know. Parked next to an M2. Chris's car looks so clean, yo. Yo, this E46 is so clean. I low-key want a E46 330 Ci 6-speed as a daily, but we'll see if those dreams come true in the next year or two. House first, boys, house first. All right, so we just put up to this parking garage slash office building near my apartment. I've taken photos here before, it's a dope spot. But I just wanted to give you guys a top 5 things I like about my F80 M3. This could be from the mods to just the packages that came with the car and like why I chose this specific spec. I know I see a lot of people doing top 5 likes and dislikes, but I'm not sure if I'm gonna find 5 things I don't like about my car, but we'll see if we can throw something together for you guys next week. Give you guys a quick walk around real quick. Just came back from Cars and Coffee. I'll probably insert some clips in the beginning of this video, but cleaned her up yesterday. Car looking good. But going into number 1, I gotta go with the wheels, baby. I love these 666M competition wheels from BMW. They're OEM, of course, super aggressive. I love the look of these wheels, and I'm so glad that I opted for the competition package instead of the base package. Don't get me wrong, I love the 437M and the look of them, but these 666Ms are just so aggressive. I mean, that star spoke, especially like the silver with the black contrast, they look so aggressive. Everybody loves these wheels. I mean, how can you not? They're sick. And of course that comes with the competition package only, so that's another big reason why I went with the competition package, because I didn't want to be spending money on wheels and tires, especially because them shits are expensive. So I'm so glad I went with the competition wheels. It's saving me money and hassle. Like, it's saving me money because I knew I would want to upgrade my 437 rims if I did get a baseline package, and I'm so glad I got the comp package because these wheels are just amazing. They look good. The only downside, obviously, that everybody knows is they're a bitch to clean, but when they're clean, they're clean. Same thing goes with the black car. When they're clean, they're clean. I mean, they're just so aggressive. There's a concave right there. I mean, it just flows well and it looks mean. That's the only word I could describe it as. It looks mean, it looks super clean, super aggressive, and the silver wheels complement the silver tips so well, and it pops from the black sapphire metallic paint, of course. So I'm super happy that I opted to you know, sacrifice some things like the red interior for the competition package, because on my list that I'm about to tell you guys, the wheels and then the seats and the seat belts are next. I mean, alone that makes the competition package worth it. All right, moving on to number 2, we're going to move into the interior, and similar to the competition wheels, I got these awesome, beautiful competition seats with the competition seat belts with the M stripe logo, and even the M3 badge on the seat that light up at night. They look amazing. This was one of my top buying points when I was looking for a car. I mean, the competition seats just look so aggressive, and they look so clean, and they keep you in snug, they hold you in snug, and these seat belts, oh my god, the little details look so good. Again, I'm so happy that I opted for the competition package because these seats are just badass. I wanted the red interior, but I'm so glad I got this package. The black interior is fine because I got the competition package, which comes with the wheels, the seat belts, the seats, and it's faster from the factory as well. I mean, these seats are just beautiful. The slits, super aggressive. I think it just stands out more than other, you know, F80s out there. Just competition, everything. Just looks so good. Super aggressive. All right, moving along to mod number 3. We're gonna go with my Icon LED headlights that I opted for and upgraded. Absolutely love these headlights. They are probably my favorite mod that I've done on my car so far, and they just bring out the front end and it just updates the car so much from the iconic halos that, you know, every BMW owner has. Nothing against the halos, but these Icon LEDs are just so sick, like so sick, so clean. So badass. Brings the car up to, like, I don't know, the modern century, I guess. And the backstory behind these lights is I originally wanted a 2018 model F80, but they were too out of my price range at the time, so I opted for a 2017, which is what obviously I have. This is a 2017 competition. I knew for sure that one day I was going to upgrade the headlights to either custom or OEM, which is what I did here. And I'm super glad I went with the OEM Icon LEDs because, man, it literally completes the car, transforms the whole car. As you know from Instagram and stuff, in the pictures, these headlights look amazing. Super aggressive, super clean. Makes the whole car stand out from the rest. Absolutely love them. Probably my favorite mod on my car thus far. And it's probably gonna be one of my favorite mods I've ever done. As you guys have seen, I did these upgrades in my garage. I did them myself. Saved probably, I don't want to say like $400, $500 on labor because that's how much shops charge. And then I had a guy remote code them for me, so that was awesome. But yeah, number 3 on the list, headlights. One of my favorite for sure. All right, moving on to number 4. I gotta go with the PSM style diffuser that I bought from McGill Beamer. I mean, this thing is just aggressive. I think it's the most aggressive diffuser that you could buy for your F80. It's so clean, super aggressive. I knew that the day that I was getting an F80 that this would be one of my first mods because along with the PSM style spoiler, I mean, this diffuser is just, it's gold. It's so aggressive with these fins, the carbon fiber. I mean, from pictures, from the side, the rear, I mean, it just looks like a beast. Straight up, like just a beast. I'm super happy I went with this. I mean, it just looks so clean. Number 4 has to be the diffuser. It just ties in the rear end so well, complements everything that I got going on, the carbon side skirts, the spoiler, the wheels, the tips. I mean, without the diffuser, my car wouldn't look as aggressive as it does in certain angles, especially this rear, you know, 3/4 shot and you know, straight up from the rear. I mean, the diffuser is just everything. All right, so number 5 on the list, the last and final thing that I like about my F80, and actually it's gonna be something controversial to some, but I love the exhaust note on my F80 M3. Yes, the S55 is known for being very raspy, but I absolutely love my exhaust note. So if you guys don't know, the competition models come with a different muffler. You can tell that by looking at pictures of stock F80s, and the competition models have black tips. And so what's different is the exhaust note on the competition is a little more, I don't know, rumbly, and it has a different tune from the factory, so it's faster and it has natural burbles. So I'll give you guys a couple sound clips now of it revving, but I think the exhaust note is perfect for a stock car. I think the exhaust note is awesome. I think it sounds really deep and throaty sometimes. Cold starts actually sound pretty good in my opinion. So yeah, that's number 5 on the list. I really dig the exhaust note. But as you guys know, I want to get the Active Auto Work equal length mid pipe soon, and that'll just smooth everything out because the downpipes in these cars are unequal, and that's where the sound gets lost in these cars. So by equaling out the mid pipe, you get a smoother, more unison sound. So that's definitely on the list after we close on a house. We are in the process right now. We're touring, putting offers in, so hopefully sooner than later we'll be in a new garage filming videos, DIYs again. But yeah, stay tuned. Thank you guys for subscribing. Thank you for tuning into my top 5 list. I hope you guys have a good 2021. Hopefully it's better than 2020. I hope all your car dreams come true and you get all the mods on your list, because I'm holding off on all mods right now until we get this house done. Big priority for me right now, so all mods are on hold until then. I do need new rear tires though. Some people know already my rear tires are like super bald right now, but again, house has to come first. But I am looking for new rear tires. I think I'm gonna go 295 30 20 instead of the stock 285 setup that comes from the factory. I've seen that setup on Beamer Post and it looks pretty good. So yeah, I'm looking for new rear tires, probably before any mods that I buy, because that's a safety reason, obviously. But yeah, hopefully this house hunt goes well. Wish us luck. I mean, if you're looking for the house, the market is super hot right now, and everybody knows that houses are just flying off the market, so it's very competitive. If you guys are looking to buy a house, make sure you save. It's tough, especially when you have a car like this and you have the itch to buy mods, you know, all the time, non-stop. So it's taking a lot of self-control, but I promised to myself and my girlfriend that I'm gonna be good about that until we buy a house. And then you already know, equal length mid pipe, bolt-ons, crank hub, interior mods. You know, I want to get a carbon shift knob, carbon shifter, and then the Alcantara e-brake handle and center console armrest. I also want carbon seat backs. So little preview for you guys on what's on my list. But for the exterior, I think I'm good. I'm real good, because these comp wheels, with everything I've done to it so far, and the aero and the headlights and the diffuser, I'm chilling on exterior for now. Wheels, maybe, you know, in a couple years. Wheels are just so fucking expensive, so I'm gonna hold off on that for a while. But yeah, I'm super happy with my F80, guys. Thank you guys for watching. This is my top 5 things that I like and love, actually, about my F80 M3. This is a 2017 competition model with the upgraded headlights, so people might think I have a 2018. But again, I want to thank you guys for watching. Thank you for subscribing. Make sure you leave a like, comment, subscribe, and we'll catch you on the next one. Peace.